In this video, we will explain how to set up the persistent menu, the sticky menu at the bottom of the Messenger. When users come to our Messenger, if they are using the desktop version, they will find 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. After opening it, they will see a menu like this. We can set it up so that when users click on it, they can be directed to external links or trigger the next set of automated replies. If users are using a mobile device, the persistent menu will appear at the bottom of Messenger. To set up the persistent menu, we can go to the bot manager and select our fan page. Then click on Persistent Menu Setting. Click on Create Persistent Menu here. You don't need to make any changes to the upper section. Just enter the menu title in the menu field. This menu title is the text that will appear when the menu is opened. For example, if I set up a menu called Company Website, I can enter company website here. If I want users to be directed to an external link when they click on this menu, I can choose web URL and enter the link here. Similarly, I have set up another menu below called Contact WhatsApp. This time, I entered the WhatsApp link here and selected URL as the option. We also have another option called Postback. For example, if I want users to click on Package Introduction, I will send a messenger reply about the package introduction. This time, I can choose Post Back here and select the name of my flow. The flow name should already be set up in our bot flow builder. When we initially used the bot flow builder to create our reply content, these reply contents formed a Post Back reply flow. When we select Post Back here, we can choose the reply combination content we want to use. After setting everything up, we can click Save and then click Publish Persistent Menu in the Options section. If we don't publish it, the persistent menu will not be displayed. So, make sure to click Publish Persistent Menu at the end. After publishing, you will see a published symbol below the persistent menu setting. Now, we have completed the setup. You can go to your fan page, clear your chat history, and then click Message once again. Click on the menu option in the bottom right corner, and you will see your newly set persistent menu. If you want to modify your persistent menu, you can come to the persistent menu setting, click Action, and then click Edit to modify the content. After that, don't forget to click Save, and then click Publish Persistent Menu again. After publishing the persistent menu, go back to Facebook, clear your chat history, and click Message once again. Your modified persistent menu will be updated. If you find that after modifying the persistent menu, the changes are not updated in your Messenger, you can try using someone else's profile to test it instead of your own. Usually, after making modifications, clicking Save and Publish Persistent Menu, it will directly update in the user's version. So, we can use a profile other than our own for testing. That's the tutorial for setting up the persistent menu.